Hello gorgeous people, you are welcome back again to my channel. My name is Joy and this is Joieblissconcepts. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove your fabric stickers from your fabric. So if this sounds like what you would love to learn, kindly watch this video to the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe button when you're done watching, and do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Without any further ado, let's go into the video. So like I said earlier, this video is on how to take away your fabric stickers without you messing up your fabric. You will understand that taking out this thing is not always that interesting, especially when you are trying to take it out with your fingers. If you do it that way, you may end up messing it up. Or even if you succeed in taking it out with your hand, you will notice that the fabric will be sticky. So in today's video, I'll be telling you 3 ways you can remove your fabric stickers without doing any damage to your fabric. So let's go. The first one is you making use of your hot iron. What you would do, I'll be showing you a clip, though it's an old video in case you are seeing the background. When you want to use your hot iron, you make sure it's not very hot. The essence of the heat is to make the stickiness to become less sticky so that the fabric or the sticker can come out. I don't know if I'm making sense. When you place your fabric as if you want to iron that fabric, okay, so that part facing up, like this part, no, this is the right side now, yeah. So you will just place your hot iron on it. Don't leave it for too long. In fact, when you place it on it, you will just see it peeling out. Then you can just do a circular, make your iron go in a circular motion. Then you can now just pull it out. That way you end up taking out your fabric sticker from your fabric and it will come out very neat. Another way you can take away your fabric sticker from your fabric without doing any damage to your fabric is you making use of a sewing machine oil. Okay, there are different types. The one I was using when I was in Nigeria wasn't like this, so I bought this one in the UK. I think I bought it for how much? £4.50. Okay, so the name of this one is Silver High Quality Sewing Machine Oil. Yeah, so I also learned you can use it for your hair. Yeah, you can use it to moisturize your hair, but for the purpose of this video is for fabric. So when you want to do this, you will just apply it. I will be showing you that, but let me explain this. You just apply it to the wrong side of your material or your fabric. What I mean is you just take it this way and apply it. So let me show you guys. It has a tiny mouth so you don't use so much. Then you take your fabric, open it like this. You will be able to picture where the sticker is. Let me open it up. So this is where the sticker is. Can you see it? So I'll be turning it to the wrong side this way. Can you see it? When you feel it, you would know that it's the wrong side. All you have to do is just to oil it. Don't bother about the oil staining your fabric. It will dry out, okay? Just oil the part that you feel is the sticker area. Ensure you oil the edges just as you see me do. Can you see it? It's not going to damage your fabric. The oil is not going to damage your fabric at all. Just watch. Then when you do this, allow it sink for like some seconds, maybe 60 seconds or 1 minute, as the case may be. So when you've done this, you should be able to bring out your sticker and your fabric will look very okay. So watch me. I will just be peeling it from here. If it looks strong, then you will know that you've not put enough oil. Okay, you need to put enough oil, especially these edges. Can you see it, guys? You take it out gently. The oil will dry out with time, okay? So now you don't have to struggle with your sticker. There you go, guys. Can you see? Neatly done. So when you give it some time, the oil will dry out and it will look as if nothing was there. As you can see, it is not sticky. It is not sticky. So the oil did the job, okay? That was pretty easy, right? So last but not the least is you making use of kerosene to take out your fabric sticker without damaging your fabric. When I was in Nigeria, that was the pattern I was using. What you do exactly the same way I applied my oil on the fabric, that is how you also do when making use of your kerosene. You apply it on the wrong side of the fabric, directly opposite the sticker, yeah, and do exactly the same thing. It also works like this machine oil, okay? So I hope I've given you these 3 hacks that can be beneficial to you in this sewing journey. Okay, the first is you making use of hot iron. The second is making use of your machine oil. Third is you making use of kerosene. Okay, if there are more hacks, I will let you know, guys. If this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, you are most welcome, and I encourage you to join this beautiful family by hitting the subscribe button and also watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you in my next one. Bye.